Hi guys, so I'm here with Sir Raymond Gonzalez from The Edge Radio. So yan, i-invite niya kayo this coming October 30, this coming event.
Hi everybody, I'd like to invite you all sa October 30, no? Sa panahon ng Undas. Kung wala kayo pupuntahan, October 30, o kahit na may pupuntahan kayo, baka gusto nyo gumawin dito, swing by at Central Park Garden Cafe, right here at the Total Gas Station, dito sa Diversion Road, sa may Grand Terminal ng Lucena Grand Terminal. Ayan, meron po tayo dito Dress to Kill event. This is a cosplay competition. Meron ding vape festival or competition, skateboard competition, BMX competition, at meron ding Battle of the Bands. And we have our guest performer, The Woods. No? The one and only The Woods. Sila po yung pioneer ng punk rock in the Philippines. So, yung mga kumanta ng Nakalimutan ng Diyos, Inosente Lang Nagtataka, at marami pang iba. So this will happen on October 30 from 1 p.m. Skate and BMX competitions na yan. O, dyan po gagawin. Yan, ating indoor skate park na mobile lang. DIY, do it yourself lang. Pero we have prizes from DC, we have FUBU, we have sponsors from Cuervo Gold and Asia Brewery, yan. And also Smart, of course, Smart. And ayun ha, ang ticket price po 150 pesos only. Meron ng isang SIM card ng Smart at meron ng 1 Colt 45 at meron na ring 1 free registration sa contest, whether it be cosplay, skateboard, tsaka BMX, vape. Sa Battle of the Bands naman, each band member will just sell or buy 1 ticket. Ayun. So, sali na kayo. Pero 1 registration lang, 1 competition. If you want to join another contest, just have to pay additional. Murang-mura lang. And it's party. At meron yung after party pagkatapos in the woods. Okay? Alright, so, see you here at Central Park on October 30, 2016 for Dress to Kill. Para sa inyong Halloween costume event ngayong Undas, panahon ng Undas. Okay, my name is Raymond, signing out.
Yan, di pa nag-start yung car show, so bibili muna ako ng tubig. 7-Eleven, guys. 7-Eleven. Anong mura na tubig? Mura na tubig. Tubig lang, ayaw ko ng soft drinks. Absolute. Absolute ako, tig to 30. Yan. Absolute. starstruck with classmate ng ang classmate ko, kuya niya, si Kay.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum that's kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel the love that James Brown did when he got standing ovations on his gig. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky when he opened his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum that's kicking me till I'm numb. Oh.
Turn up, nigga, never turn it down. Oh, you see my back, let me turn around so you can see the face of someone who earned a crown. Young king of that urban sound, upscale club or urban lounge. Same motherfuckers that they let us in last year, all wanna serve us now. Cause we making more than them, but we ignoring them. Cause I be soaring like Michael Jordan. And this is history that y'all recording like God whispers through my vocal cords. And then y'all listen to our vision. Hard shit, he brought an army with him. I heard he was an angel reincarnated, and he brought all his karma with him. So how could y'all forget him?
Need to know now, know now. Can you love me again? Can you love me again? Can you love me again? Can you love me again?
Let's go.
Need to know now, know now. Can you love me again? Can you love me again? Can you love me again? Can you love me again?
Yo, I just need to know if y'all love me. Sometimes it's like it get ugly, like the face of someone that plays rugby. I'm crazy, man, but don't judge me. You can talk, but please don't touch me. That goes to all of my haters. I'm still in the hood, I swear, and I know people that owe me some favors. Yo, I know you feeling my style. There's a hole in the game when I'm feeling it out. There's a heart on my sleeve when I kick it, I'm spilling it out. I give you feelings, you ain't feeling the wow. Look at how stereotypes, I took them down. Look around, nobody does what I do. I took a sound, murdered everybody in the game, put them niggas 6 foot in the ground and took the crown.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Thank you.